Hello and welcome to another Gunpla review. Today we're taking a look at the Builder's Parts System Base 001 in gunmetal. This is a 1/144 scale diorama piece meant for high grade Gunpla as well as real grade Gunpla. Getting the next review out of the way, the Hangar comes on 4 runners, all in gunmetal gray. Any additional color you see on this is painted. The paint job on mine is fairly minimal, but if I bring in the box for a moment, oh boy, angle up the camera, maybe just turn it sideways, you can see how much paint they put on the promotional model. A lot of silver and even some darker gunmetal than the actual plastic itself. I find that this level of detail kind of takes away from the actual kit you're planning on displaying, so I downplayed the colors. The system base hanger is very modular. Not only in, you get 4 of these side runners, which have the same connection points as, come on, focus. There we go. As what's on the actual hanger walls themselves, but you also get 2 of these pieces, which are connections. If you get more than one of these, you can connect them together alongside one another. As well, you get a ton of pieces for the base plate, because if you, come on, you're not supposed to be able to shift this super easy or anything. Give me a moment. There we go. Oh, also, this is meant to collapse together, but also it is on tracks along the side here. You can see the divots and the rod. It's kind of hard to keep this all in frame. And you can, there we go. You can actually put this at different angles. Not really sure why you'd want it to be lying back like this, but if you wanted to do so, you can. Trying to show off that it can actually be made into a thinner hanger if you so choose. I find it kind of blocks the side view of the kit you put in it. But anyway, you can take these pieces and slide them in here. You can also slide this in when it's collapsed and this in when it's extended, which allows you to put taller kits in with the actual base plate as the base that they're standing on. You can also simply have these attached when it's collapsed as a slight boost, or when it's all together, how I like to display it. Completely flat with the raised area. And wow, I didn't realize how dusty this was. Of course, the narrative seat back has been here for scale, so you can get an idea of how big this is relative to kits. I do kind of wish it came with more of these clips, since it can only really usably store 2 different accessories at any one time. But, you know, you deal with it. Anyway, there it is all back. Oh, I'm displaying it. Bit of a short review, this one. I mean, there's not much to say about it. It's a pretty nice diorama piece. That's about it, really. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share these videos with people that you think would like them. Anyway, until next time, happy building.